Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Moore from TradeWinds.com, and this is our update for September 11th, 2016. Let's take a quick look at how the markets finished off on Friday. Well, it was a bit of a bloodbath. It was ugly. We saw significant selling from start to finish in Friday's session. We gapped lower. We sold off consistently and closed at the lows of the day, which is very, very significant. Generally, when you see that, you do see follow through and a continuation of that move in that direction. Now, it was supported by volume. This was for real. And what was even scarier here is that throughout the day, we violated several technical levels. I mean, first of all, there's this area that we've been in, this sideways consolidation zone that we've been in, this mini channel for the past couple of months. We not only broke out of that, we blew out of that. I mean, that was insane, how quickly and how sharply we sold off once we broke that level. And also, if we look at these previous highs and lows here that normally would act as support, well, there's the first one, blew through that. Here's the next one, blew through that. Then this one here, a little lower, closed below that. Now the next level is not very far away. It's right here. And I believe we also closed below the 50-period moving average, which is significant as well, because many technicians look at that as well. But the next level of support will be here around 7,895 area, and we can easily blow through that on Monday. It seems like the perfect storm is taking shape here. We have Fed officials left, right, and center coming out with comments. Another one will be speaking on Monday. Atlanta's Federal Reserve Bank President Dennis Lockhart speaks Monday. We'll see if he adds fuel to the fire or if he can calm things down here. Because really, this is all on speculation that the Fed will be raising rates in September. Now, if the markets continue to sell off like this into the September meeting, I doubt they will. I don't think Janet Yellen and team will really want to add fuel to this fire. But do I think they're going to raise in 2016? I do. I think they're convinced they need to, and whether it's now or December, it's going to happen. No question about it in my mind. Now, what do we look for here? Where do we go from here? Well, certainly, I think follow through, unless something major happens overnight, is pretty much a given here. What's the next level of support? Now, we do have this area of congestion in here that may slow things down. I think this area down here, really 17.5 on the Dow is a key level. I think, if we don't get a bounce off 17.5, then this is something much, much bigger. Obviously, we've got room to move before then. So do I think it will happen tomorrow? No, I don't. But that is going to be a key level on the Dow. For the S&P 500, it's very similar, except the key level I'm looking at here is right around 2050. It's right in this area here, which is the bottom end of this congestion zone in here. And that is a key level there. And so what we really need to look for here is not only whether there will be follow through or not, because I think it's a given, as I said, based on Friday's close, but more importantly, where do we close on Monday? If we were to sell off and then get a bounce by the end of the day, that would be significant. That would really help. But if we close near our lows again tomorrow, this would be a much, much different story. And actually, the selling was across the board. If you look at bonds here, we came right back to this level here near 135 on TLT. Again, blowing through this sideways channel we had put in over the past couple months. Gold also down by about 10 points. It held its own, and I think gold will benefit if the selling continues. I think we will see a move higher on gold and the dollar, actually, as stocks sell off. Crude, on the other hand, down almost 2 points on Friday. So, again, the key here will be that Fed speak, more Fed speak on Monday, but the real key is where we're going to close on Monday. Okay, we're heading into September. Well, I mean, we're already in September, but I'm saying the busy time of September. Usually after Labor Day, it takes about a week, which now is gone by, and usually mid-September on is where we see a spike in volume and usually some selling. So this, along with the Fed and all the other concerns out there, is working out to be like the perfect storm here. Will it happen or not? Friday was a clear indication, but one day is not a market make. So be patient, sit back, let's see where we close on Monday, and then reassess. Okay, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.